What if your TV could not only stream in 4K, but also sound amazing, all in one device? Meet the Roku Streambar SE. It's compact, powerful, and brings you endless entertainment with clear sound and a stunning picture. It's everything you need for endless entertainment, all in one small device. In this video, we'll talk about these topics: unboxing, smart features, specifications, setup, and safety precautions. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Roku Streambar SE, remote with TV controls, 2 AAA batteries, a power adapter, a premium high-speed HDMI cable or an optional optical cable, and a quick start guide. Want to grab your Roku Streambar SE from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. Smart features: a 2-in-1 TV upgrade with 4K streaming and clear dialogue. Enjoy brilliant picture, enhanced audio, and simple setup, perfect even for smaller or older TVs. Roku Streambar SE brings the movie theater home with 4K streaming, clear dialogue, and immersive sound, all in one compact device. Upgrade your TV's audio with 2 premium speakers and a dedicated bass port for dynamic tones. Hear every word with enhanced speech clarity. Turn your TV into an entertainment hub with the Roku. Dive into Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, Max, YouTube, and more, all in one place. And when you're done scrolling, explore thousands of free movies, shows, and live TV channels, all ready to stream instantly. Specifications: Setup: find an HDMI input on your TV that supports HDCP 2.2 for 4K streaming. Plug one end of the premium HDMI cable into the TV and the other into your Roku Streambar. Connect the included power adapter to the Roku player and a wall outlet. Then, using your TV remote, switch the input or source to the HDMI port you used until you see the Roku logo on screen. Insert the included batteries into the remote. A flashing light shows it's ready to pair. If it doesn't pair automatically, hold the pairing button for 5 seconds until the light blinks. Choose your language, then connect to Wi-Fi by selecting your network and entering the password, or use an Ethernet cable for a wired connection. Wait for all checks to turn green. If you see a red X, visit go.roku.com. Your Roku will download the latest software and check for channel updates. Next, press OK to let it detect the best display type. If the text looks good, confirm the resolution. Follow on-screen prompts to sign in or create a Roku account. Set a PIN and optionally add a payment method for easy rentals and subscriptions. Finally, pick your favorite channels. Roku will install them, and in minutes, you'll be ready to stream. Safety precautions: That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Roku Streambar SE. See you in the next one.